In this video I'm going to show you what the numbers mean on top of a Ryobi cordless drill. So there's a couple of settings here you also need to be aware of when learning about these numbers. We've got drill setting, we've got screw setting, we've got hammer. Hammer's for when you're drilling into masonry and brickwork, stonework. Screw settings for when you're inserting screws, and drill mode is for when you're drilling into wood. So there's two other settings here with numbers on. You've got speed 1, which gives you a sort of slower turning, torquey setting. And then you've got speed 2, which turns the drill a bit faster, which is a lot better for drilling into soft substances. So you've got speed on speed 2, and you've got more torque in speed 1. So in order to use these numbers on the side, you need to have your drill set to screw mode. And that's in place there, and then these numbers then become active. And the best way to show you this is to demonstrate on a piece of wood. So we're going to turn our numbers down to number 4. We've got some fixings here in our test block, so we're just going to drive some screws in on one of the lowest torque settings. As you can see, the screw's only been driven in so deep before the clutch starts to slip. That's not the drill bit slipping in the screw, that's the actual clutch on the drill stopping the screw from turning any further. So that was setting 4. We're going to up our setting now to one of the highest ones. So we're going to go for 22 here. We've got the same fixing, same block of wood, and we'll just see how far we can drive our screw into our test block. As you can see, the drill has driven the screw in a lot further, and it's a lot deeper than our first fixing. So you can play around with these clutch settings on the top of your cordless drill when you're inserting fixings to try and get them to the desired depth in your workpiece.